trying to show y'all what I'm doing, but this not working, so I can't wait till I get me a camera to record videos on. That's why I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing. So I'm cleaning off the glass that was in the refrigerator, because I'm trying to clean the refrigerator without breaking the glass. So I'm cleaning it this way so I don't break the glass. Terrence usually help me, but he at work and he works from 9 to 9, so I'm doing all this by myself. I'm doing all this by myself. Yeah. So one day he'll be back in the videos. I don't know when, but I'm doing this. I just want to show y'all me cleaning the glass for the refrigerator. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I look when I'm done. I am taking the food out of the refrigerator because I'm getting ready to clean out the refrigerator and write these shelves down. This is the green beans I cooked last night, and I cooked this ham. I'm gonna warm that up today, and I'm gonna eat that. So I don't have a whole lot of groceries. It's time for me to get this refrigerator clean because it hasn't been cleaned in a while. So I got the shelves cleaned off. I'm gonna take those out, and I'll take the stuff. This is why I don't get the camera, cause nothing don't be right. So I'm gonna take, if I know how to do it, I'm gonna take this out. I think about leaving it in and just taking the glass out. I don't know how you do it. You have to do it like this. Oh, we got a problem, y'all. We got a problem. This is how you do it. Terrence used to clean these for me, but he's at work. So I'm gonna try to clean it myself. But I'm just took this out. Then I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I'm done. So I got the food back in the refrigerator. Not a whole lot. And this includes the end of this video. Give this video big thumbs up. Comment down below. Hit the notification bell so you can be uploaded every time I upload a video. Bye.